Yo, 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 yo. So today, So today we are unboxing the Bapex. The Bapex Type 3 unboxing video going down now. Unboxing number 2. Another bathing ape. A1 packaging. Just gonna show this off real quick. A1.
Wow.
Wow, for real.
Wow. Oh, the watch.
Yeah, we gotta go through that for real. That's nuts. Hey, see the lighting? It's the ape. Oh. Overall, you know, pretty hard.
Yay. Goodbye.
Hang tag.
I want that.
Got the Bathing Ape hang tag. It's pretty dope.
What's cardboard?
Dun 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 dun. The Bapex.
Oh, here we go.
Wow.
Bye.
Heard that I read online. So this thing guarantees that you can go get it fixed at any Bape store. Like clean, fresh smell.
Leather. It's pretty big.
It is huge. It's way bigger than that.
Wow. So, like this. It's huge.
First reviews, man, I'll say this. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Like the watch face itself. But it's still pretty dope. It's really like heavy. Looks really, it's clean cut, I'll say. I like the white face on it.